Welcome to my channel today, where we will explore the differences between Cashbook and Passbook. First, let's understand what a Cashbook is and how it differs from a Passbook. A Cashbook is a record maintained by an individual or business to track cash transactions. On the other hand, a Passbook is a document issued by a bank to its account holders, containing the details of transactions. The first difference is that a Cashbook records both cash inflows and outflows, while a Passbook only shows the bank's perspective. In a Cashbook, you can record transactions made in cash, checks, or any other form, while a Passbook only reflects transactions related to the bank account. A Cashbook is maintained by the individual or business, while a Passbook is issued and updated by the bank. A Cashbook is usually handwritten or created digitally by the account holder, whereas a Passbook is printed and issued by the bank. Another difference is that a Cashbook allows the account holder to have immediate access to transaction details, while a Passbook requires a visit to the bank for updating. Cashbooks are more detailed, allowing users to track various categories of expenses, while Passbooks generally provide a summary of transactions. Cashbooks can be easily customized to fit individual needs, while Passbooks have a standard format set by the bank. In terms of privacy, a Cashbook provides more confidentiality since it is not accessible to anyone other than the account holder. Passbooks, on the other hand, can be accessed by bank officials, making them less private. To summarize, the main difference between a Cashbook and a Passbook lies in the level of detail, accessibility, and who maintains and updates the records. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the key differences between Cashbook and Passbook. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more informative content.